Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can log out of a Twitter app on your device. So first of all, you need to tap on your avatar picture at the top, or profile, so-called profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Then over here, expand the settings and support field, then go for settings and privacy page. In here enter your account category, then account information, and in here at the bottom you'll find the logout option, which you want to tap on. Confirm your logout by choosing the respective option over here, and as you can see, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.